What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to paraphrase in Grammarly. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the browser, in the search bar, type in Grammarly. After typing Grammarly, you will be redirected to this website of Grammarly directly. You don't have to click on any link or anything. You will be directly welcome to the Grammarly website. Now, after that, if you are new to Grammarly, just simply sign in with your email, password, and other credentials. But as you can see, I have already signed in with my email account. So I'll just simply hit new document. And after clicking on new document, you can see a blank document has been opened and I already have copied my demo text. So I'll just simply paste it and I'll click on done. And after that, on the right side, click on Write with Generative AI and then give your prompt to paraphrase your paragraph or this document. And after that, it will ask you to insert it. Just simply click on Insert, and as you can see, this is the paraphrased copy of my paragraph that I have inserted here. It paraphrased it and then gave me the whole result. So this is how you can paraphrase in Grammarly, and that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.